G'day guys, James here. Today in this video I'm going to be showcasing Ego's new battery backpack. Now the way this works, basically, which you'll see from some of these videos, is a skin with a harness, and inside that harness you can drop a great big 7.5 amp hour battery in on top, and then this, which is basically just a plastic shell, then plugs into your handheld unit. So now what you're going to see in this video is this being used in action, and then I'll come back and tell you about some of the specifications and how I found it. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so that's the backpack. So when you take something like the blower, you can see it's got a 5 amp hour in there at the moment now. Bit of weight to it. Take that out, battery, put that on. Now it's connected directly from the backpack. So this itself, the unit, has a lot less weight than what it normally would with the bigger batteries in it. Alright, so I'll put this to use. So you can see there's just one application. Hooking up to this blower makes it very lightweight. Jumping up and down that roof with this on the back makes things a lot easier. Tried it some other tools now and see how it goes. Okay, so I've given the blower a go. Let's try out the line trimmer, and then we'll do the hedger next. Okay, so now one of the last tools I'm going to be trying out is the hedger. Pop this in and give it a try. So you can see from those videos how I actually use this unit and how much it actually helped me. Now I used it a bit around here on our rental property, just basically tidying up some of the stuff. Where it really came in handy was out there on our new parcel of land that we've purchased. We've got 11 acres and it's bare farmland that needs a lot of work. So there's a lot of shrubbery and things that need basically cutting down and bringing back to new. So like where I got the most use out of it was with this brush cutter. This thing, I was on it for like 2 days solid, mowing down some of that grass and thick shrubbery, and rather than having that big heavy 7.5 amp hour battery on here, drop it into the harness, strap it on, and it just takes so much weight off your hands. And I think I took say 4 or 5 batteries out there just fully charged up, and that would just last me the day. I'd just go through, slash with this thing until the battery run out, drop another one in, and then just keep going. So really, for that type of farm work or getting into the thick sort of heavy duty sort of stuff, mate, this thing was an absolute godsend. Absolutely loved it. Now, the unit itself, when you buy it as a kit, it will come with your 7.5 amp hour battery, and it'll also come with one of these rapid chargers. The rapid charger will do that battery in about 60 minutes, so that's quite quick for such a big battery. And the unit itself is probably not much more to tell you. I think the weight itself is about 2.2 kilos without the battery in it, so it's quite light to put that on. You got your variable back straps, so they're adjustable. You can move those up or down or in and out, obviously, to make it comfortable. But that's about it. Like I said, a real saviour. This thing here, with all the line of the Ego gear that I've got, is probably the best little invention that these guys have come up with. I really rate it. Alright, so if you do a lot of handheld work, give it a try. Really do yourself a favour, it'll make a big difference. Thanks guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you have, give it a thumbs up, like or subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers.